Put a layer of the milk all in the bottom of the bowl first. And then we're going to get...
But you're wasting the
No,
milk.
we're doing a science experiment. Now we're going to put a drop of different color food colorings. Can you help him? Make sure he does it.
Yeah, just a drop.
Just a drop.
So turn it upside down and just
A drop.
let it drip out. Maybe just give it a little.
Squeeze.
There.
Okay, and maybe a different...
Now get a different color.
No, maybe different... Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. Now a different color. Okay, just like that. And a different color. Perfect. And a different color. Okay, now we're going to take this Q-tip and we're going to roll it all around into the dishwashing liquid. Roll the end. And before you do anything, I want you to predict what you think is going to happen when you touch the dots. What do you think?
I think it's gonna make this the color that it is.
Okay, now I want you to just touch the dots. Each one. Oh, keep going.
That was not what you thought was going to happen, is it?
What is what I was gonna happen? See?
Both of those things happened.
Okay, that's it.
That was cool.
Now, why do you think that happened?
Now what are we gonna do with that?
No, nothing. But why do you think that happened?
Because when the dots dripped in the milk, it made it.
What do you think milk's got in it?
It's got an explosion.
No. Do you think there's fat in milk?
Yeah.
And what do you think
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well,
Fat.
explain it to him, Grampy. There's fat in milk, and what is dishwashing detergent or liquid supposed to do when we wash the dishes?
It gets oil off of your hands. So what that does is it helps the oil and the water mix together.
But what about this?
It shows you that it breaks up the oil.
Yep.